Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use the new Instagram Support Small Business sticker. There are lots of ways to support small businesses during COVID-19, including using Support Small Business sticker for Instagram stories. Follow these steps and you will know how to use this sticker. Go to your Instagram Home tab and swipe left or tap your story in the top left corner of your screen. Now take a picture or upload a visual from your camera roll. After that, click on the smiley icon and choose the Support Small Business sticker. Type the name of your favorite small business. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram Support Small Business sticker. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.